Sometimes, at the beginning of the new year, we all resolve to be healthier. There is nothing more healthy than this dish. This is salmon and olives in a big portion of vegetables. Welcome to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Let's see how we make this. A simple dinner. Salmon, vegetables, and some olives. It's going to be great. Cooking salmon is one of the easiest things you can do. We're going to pan fry our salmon, which means heating up a saucepan like this, oil in the bottom, waiting until it's warm, not super hot. We're going to drop the salmon in, cook it for 12 minutes. That's salmon with skin. If you don't have skin, it's going to be less time. Swirl this around to spread out that oil. This isn't sizzling yet. When it starts to, we're going to turn the heat down to medium-low and let that salmon skin with all the fat in it kind of caramelize a little bit and cook. It's almost like a barrier that protects the rest of the salmon from cooking too fast. So while that's cooking, we need to familiarize ourselves with our olives. If you're like me, you probably don't grow olives in your backyard, so you're probably gonna buy them in a can like this. These are mixed olives. We've got Kalamata, which are these dark ones, and green olives. Some people like to eat olives cold because this is a warm dish and we're going to eat it with pasta. We're going to throw them in at the end to fry up a little bit. We've also got another kind of olives. This is olive spread. This is the same brand. This is a mixture of finely crushed olives, garlic, some red wine vinegar, salt. We're going to put this on at the end. You could absolutely put this on and grill your chicken as well, but I like to put it at the end because it's dark. And if you put it on at the beginning, your salmon's going to kind of get this purple-brown color, which I feel like is not that appetizing. So at the end, this will be amazing on top of the salmon, but not to cook it. When it comes to bok choy, which is my vegetable of choice tonight, this is what's called a baby bok choy, even though this is a little bit of a bigger one. We're just going to take these leaves off. We're going to soak them in cold water, rinse them once or twice, chop them like this. My new all-time way, favorite way to cook bok choy, is to heat up a pan of water and throw this into the steamer for just like a minute or 90 seconds. This cooks surprisingly fast when you expose it to steam, and it will come out with this brilliant green color still intact. Let's check out this salmon. It's about half cooked. This is still translucent and not cooked at all. It's starting to cook on the bottom. Look at these beautiful bubbles. Okay, when that bok choy comes out, it looks like this. It has got a great color. We're going to gently shove it aside for that salmon. Got our fried olives. And our olive sauce. I'm going to kind of put this along the middle so that everybody gets a bit of this. Well, there we go. That's it for tonight. We're going to eat this with pasta. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Please do share this on social media so I can help grow this channel. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.